In this video, I'll show you how to buy real Discord chatter on Fansgurus. Let's log in first. Log in with your account. Here is the dashboard. Open services on the left. We're doing Discord, so I pick the Discord icon. Scroll to find service 6296, Discord chatter. Let me open the details and explain it. This service helps you grow Discord chatter with quality, stable delivery. They're delivered at a steady, controllable pace, so growth looks natural. Retention is high, so your count stays stable and rarely drops. Now let's place an order. It's simple. Paste your Discord server link here. Enter how many chatter you want. The price is calculated automatically. Check everything, click submit, and you're done. It usually starts within 5 to 10 minutes. That's how you buy real Discord chatter on Fansgurus.